3, 2, 1. Babe Pakistan Trust has been dysfunctional since long as the National Memorial Council has not been able to meet death of majority of the members of the National Memorial Council has made it impossible for the Babe Pakistan Trust to manage its affairs. Interim governing body has also contributed in mismanagement of the trust. It is necessary to perform its functions and to take necessary steps to achieve its objectives of the Babe Pakistan Trust. Therefore, it is expedient to establish Babe Pakistan Foundation to provide institutional framework for carrying out the functions as envisaged in the memorandum and articles of association of the Babe Pakistan Trust for acknowledging sacrifices made at the time of creation of Pakistan, to patronize, promote and develop the arts, crafts and culture of Pakistan, and to deal with connected matters, if the chairperson, vice chairperson, secretary, member, a staff or other employee, including an advisor, consultant, agent, actuary, valuator, lawyer, and editor, or the family of such a person has, direct or indirect interest in any matter relating financial transaction of the foundation, such person shall forthwith disclose that interest to the board, and the board may take such action as it may consider appropriate. If a person present at a meeting of the board or of a committee, or his family or his professional or business partner or associate has direct or indirect interest in the subject matter under consideration in that meeting, he shall, forthwith disclose the interest, and withdraw from the meeting during the consideration of that matter, There shall be a fund of the foundation, which shall vest in the foundation, and to which shall be credit and monies received by the foundation, The fund shall consist of, grants made or loans advanced by the government or the federal government or any other provincial government, aid and assistance, grants, advances, donations and other non-obligatory funds received from any person, body or entity, national or international agency, loans and advances obtained from the financial institution, and any other income received from any other source, The foundation may receive, own and maintain a property transferred to it by any person, body or organization, notwithstanding anything contained in the Societies Registration Act on the establishment of the foundation. Under this act, the Babe Pakistan Trust, established as a society on June 4, 1992, under the said act, shall stand dissolved, and all its assets and liabilities and staff shall stand transferred to the foundation, subject to any other law, but notwithstanding the dissolution of the society, anything done, action taken, obligation, liability, penalty or punishment incurred, agreement signed, inquiry or proceedings commenced, persons appointed, regularized or authorized, rules made and other order or notification issued under any of the provisions of the memorandum of association of the said society, if not inconsistent with the provisions of this act, shall be deemed to have been respectively done, taken, incurred, commenced, appointed, authorized, made and issued under the act, The Babe Pakistan Foundation Ordinance 2014 is hereby repealed,